Today we'll be taking a look at Yowhick's DP03 1080p LCD projector. As we open the box, we have the projector encased in a protective foam layer to prevent damage during transport, and then all of the accessories for it, including a projector screen, which is always a nice addition since we don't always have a good surface to project onto. After taking the projector out of its shipping bag, we can see that it features an HDMI port, 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port, and a headphone port. The exhaust fan cover comes off easily and has a metal mesh screen for easy cleaning. If we turn the projector to its side, we can see the power plug, nice and easy to access. And on the front, we have the lens obviously, with a nice lens cover. Nothing of note on the other side of the projector. On the bottom, we have two threaded connectors. The middle one, which is a standard 1/4-20 thread pitch for a tripod, which can be used for ceiling mounting, and the front one for the foot peg to angle the projector if it's on a table. On the top of the projector, we have our menu buttons, as well as the focus and keystone adjustment dials. The aforementioned foot peg simply screws into the front thread port on the bottom of the projector and allows for the projector to sit a bit higher. Turning on the projector is as simple as inserting the plug into the side of it, connecting it to a standard wall outlet, and then pressing the power button. It only takes a few seconds for it to power up and create a soon-to-be beautiful image. Anytime you move the projector to a new location, you'll need to utilize the focus and keystone dials to get the image set for its new focal point. After powering it on, we can see that for this wall here, the keystone, which controls the angle that the projector scene is displayed at, is a bit off, as well as slightly out of focus. So we just use the keystone dial at the top to adjust it and get the image to be flat, and then adjust the focus as needed for a clear image. One of the convenient features is the ability to connect to your local Wi-Fi network, which makes it easier to connect to your mobile devices for AirPlay, screen sharing, etc. To do so, simply go to the Wi-Fi option at the lower right area of the menu, click on Wi-Fi under System Setup, and then select your network name. You'll then be prompted to enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. Once done, hit enter and it should effortlessly connect on through. From here, if you want to use the screen sharing feature, simply select it from the main menu, select the corresponding screen type, either iOS or Android. In my case, I'm using an iPhone, so I select iOS, grab my iPhone, swipe down from the top of the device, tap the screen sharing icon, then select Yowhick from the available screen mirroring devices. From here, you can share whatever is on your screen. In my case, a good example is showing off the beautiful image that this projector is able to put out.
As we learn to fly the Mavic Air 2, we're going to take a relaxing flight down the coast at Florida Town Park. Come with me and enjoy the scenery while we listen to a bit of lo-fi.
It also boasts a 5-watt speaker and puts out a good bit of clear sound, effortlessly overpowering the fan noise from the projector. But if you're wanting even better sound, you can connect a soundbar to the projector as well and get the full home theater experience. This tiny projector is able to offer a massive 200-inch projected screen, which I would have loved to show off on an outside wall, which would be wonderful for an outside movie night by a fire, but I actually don't have an empty wall space large enough to even show this off, sadly. But it would work beautifully for that as well. Alternatively, you can always attach the provided projector screen to a PVC frame to make it easily able to be moved about and have a screen wherever you go. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to pick one up for yourself, I'll have a link down in the video description below. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.